Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best throw line is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any angler, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of fishing. This seemingly simple tool plays a crucial role in casting accuracy, distance, and overall success on the water, making it a critical component of your fishing arsenal. Understanding its importance and how to choose the right one can significantly elevate your fishing experience, ensuring you spend less time untangling knots and more time reeling in your next big catch. Number 5. Orange Mason Line Number 18 Braided Nylon String. This thick string is made of high-quality nylon, making it stronger than other options. Its braided design ensures it holds up even in the harshest conditions. Unlike twisted cords that can unravel, this braided nylon line won't fray or come apart when you tie knots. It offers superior performance and longevity. This is perfect for use with a string line level or any heavy-duty outdoor project. You can also use it as a plumb line or with a masonry line holder. This bright orange string is excellent for your garden. Use it to tie up tomato plants, for wick watering, or for general landscaping needs. Each roll features a fluorescent color that is easy to see. It's perfect for marking property lines, construction projects, or any outdoor task. What we like. This line is incredibly strong and durable, designed to withstand tough conditions without fraying. If you need a reliable line for heavy-duty outdoor projects like gardening or construction, this is a great choice. Its bright color also makes it easy to see, perfect for marking boundaries or in landscaping. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other products on the market. Number 4. Notch 200 foot 3mm Neon Plus and 14 ounces Throwweight Combo Set. Discover the ultimate solution for reaching high branches. This combo set is designed for ease of use and durability. Our 200 feet Neon Throwline features a unique springy body, significantly reducing tangles compared to traditional cords. Its bright color ensures high visibility, even in dense foliage. With this set, you can easily access up to 100 feet into the tree canopy. The included 14 ounces Neon Throw weight helps you get your line exactly where you need it. The bright green and yellow throw weight is designed for optimal performance. It also features a lower loop for easily attaching additional lines or a mini carabiner. We stand by the quality of our products. This set comes with a manufacturer's lifetime warranty, protecting you against defects in material and workmanship. What we like. This combo set is designed to make your work easier with a throw line that's less prone to tangling. If you're an arborist or work frequently in dense canopies, the bright color and tangle-resistant design will be a huge advantage. Plus, the lifetime warranty offers great peace of mind. What people say. The throw line is made of durable material that has held up well to repeated use. Its design allows for easy handling and accurate throws, making it efficient for its purpose. The line is long enough to reach significant distances, which is very practical for various applications. Number 3. Notch Acculine 1.75mm x 180 feet Dyneema Throw Line. Discover the Notch Acculine Throw Line, engineered for exceptional performance in arboriculture. It offers a perfect blend of strength and manageability for your daily tasks. This line boasts a high tensile strength of 560 pounds, yet remains incredibly lightweight due to its Dyneema construction. Its 1.75mm diameter and 180-foot length provide ample reach and durability. Experience superior durability with its wear-resistant properties. This throw line is designed to withstand the rigors of professional use, ensuring longevity. Tying and untying knots is a breeze with this line. Its knot-friendly design simplifies your workflow, saving you valuable time on the job. Crafted from advanced Dyneema fibers, it offers exceptional strength without the added weight. This material ensures reliable performance in demanding conditions. Easily spot your line in the canopy with its vibrant yellow and black color scheme. This high-visibility design enhances safety and efficiency during operations. What we like. This throw line offers exceptional strength in a lightweight package, thanks to its Dyneema construction. If you require a durable line that holds up well to abrasion and is easy to tie knots with, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for professionals who need reliable performance in demanding situations. What people say. The Throwline is designed with a durable, high-visibility orange color, making it easy to spot in various conditions. It features a smooth, tangle-free design that allows for quick and efficient deployment when needed. The line itself is constructed from a strong, abrasion-resistant material, ensuring longevity and reliability during use. Number 2. Weaver Leather Arborist Throw-Weight and Line Kit. Introducing the Weaver Leather Arborist Throw-Weight and Line Kit, designed for efficiency and ease of use in your arborist tasks. This kit is proudly made in the USA. Crafted from high-quality nylon, this kit is built to withstand the demands of professional use. Its robust construction ensures longevity and reliability. This comprehensive kit includes the essential throw weight and a lightweight 150-foot polyethylene line. Everything you need to get started is right here. The included lightweight line is perfect for precisely positioning heavier ropes. Its design makes maneuvering and setup significantly easier. The 12-ounce throw weight provides the ideal balance for effective line deployment. It's designed for optimal performance in various arborist applications. Support American craftsmanship with this product, manufactured with pride in the United States. Quality and durability are guaranteed. What we like. This kit includes a lightweight line specifically designed for positioning heavier ropes, making your job easier. If you're an arborist or work with rigging, this product is perfect for precise placement of climbing or safety lines. The durable polyethylene construction ensures it can handle the demands of the job. What people say. The Throwline is very durable and has held up well to repeated use. It is easy to untangle and deploy, which saves a lot of time when setting up. The bright color makes it highly visible, even in low light conditions. Number 1. Weaver Leather Arborist Replacement Polyethylene Throwline. This tool features a lightweight design, making it perfect for positioning other ropes with ease. It boasts an 8-carrier diamond braid polyethylene cover wrapped around a parallel polyethylene core for enhanced durability. You can count on its strength, with a minimum tensile strength of 190 pounds. This line comes in a convenient 150-foot length, providing ample reach for your tasks. Its bright yellow color ensures high visibility, even in challenging conditions. Designed specifically for arborists, this line is a reliable addition to your essential gear. What we like. This replacement line is incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for positioning other ropes with ease. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-handle line for arborist work or rigging, this is a solid choice. Its construction ensures it's suitable for tasks where precise rope placement is crucial. What people say. The Throwline is made of a durable, abrasion-resistant material that holds up well to repeated use. Its bright color makes it highly visible, even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety during operations. The line is designed with a smooth surface, allowing it to glide easily through branches and obstacles without snagging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.